kind of dog is it?
Leonberger.
Leonberger? That's huge.
Imported from Germany.
Wow. That is tremendous. Is he here for a bath?
No, he's a mascot.
Are you kidding?
Yeah, he's like the boss.
Wow.
He's like the second boss here.
He's kind of bump. Cody, get up.
Oh, yikes.
Come here.
It's gorgeous. Oh my God, he's as big as a horse.
Yeah, he's very friendly.
Oh, so sweet. Oh, he's clean. Oh, he's gorgeous. Look at it. Oh, you're wet.
A lot of survival.
Oh my God, he is beautiful. Oh, wow.
Cody, sit, 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 sit.
You could put it on his nose, he won't even touch it.
What? No.
Beast then.
Yeah, he really was trying to go for that.
So he lives here and everybody just takes care of him and loves him?
Nah, he don't live here. He just come and hang out.
Oh,
Yeah.
God, he's gorgeous.
The owner just, you know, he leaves him here because he knows that we'll take care of him.
Yeah.
And then he goes home later on.
Oh my God, he is magnificent.
He don't even walk, nothing.
Yeah, little dog could be barking at him. He don't even flinch.
I guess I'll wait for him to move so he can get to the elevator.
He won't go there.
Come on, get through.
Come on.
Oh my God, he's fabulous. Oh man, thank you.
No
Goodbye.
problem.
He be swimming and everything. Right, Cody, you swim?
Yeah, he's a very excellent swimmer.